Hi, in this video we will learn one of the most important identities in algebra, that is called the cube of a binomial. Whether it's a positive binomial like a plus b to the power 3 or a plus b cube, or a negative binomial like a minus b cube, by end of this video you will understand every bit of it step by step. So let us begin. Before we jump into the identity itself, let's recall what a binomial is, right? So a binomial is an algebraic expression that has exactly two terms. For example, a plus b, x minus y, 3p plus 2q. These all are examples of binomials, right? When we talk about the cube of a binomial, we are referring to raising the entire expression to the power of 3. In simple terms, a plus b to the power 3 is equal to a plus b multiplied by a plus b multiplied by a plus b. That is the same binomial multiplied by itself 3 times. Yeah, so you see here a plus b, this is first time, this is second time we are multiplying a plus b to a plus b, and this is third time we are multiplying a plus b. This is the meaning of a plus b to the power 3. A plus b is multiplied 3 times, right? Okay, so let us understand how this expands. Okay, so we are learning cube of a positive binomial, that is a plus b to the power 3. This is already we know a plus b to the power 3 is equal to a plus b multiplied by itself 3 times, right? So let us solve it in two parts. In the first part, we are going to expand the first two binomial, that is a plus b multiplied by a plus b. So a plus b multiplied by a plus b is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and we have already covered it in my previous video, and that is our familiar identity for a plus b to the power 2. This is nothing but equal to a plus b whole square, right? Now we need to multiply the result with third a plus b. Okay, so let us multiply it. We have a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is multiplied by a plus b, right? So first a square is multiplied by a, that is a square multiplied by a equal to a cube, right? And then a square will be multiplied by b, so a square multiplied by b equal to a square b. Okay, then 2ab will be multiplied by a, 2ab multiplied by a, and this is equal to 2a square b, right? And again 2ab multiplied by b, and this will become 2ab square, right? Because we have two b's here. B multiplied by b is b square, and 2a we have as it is, right? Then we have to multiply b square with a, that is b square a or ab square. Let us write a at first, then b square multiplied by b, we are multiplying b square with b, this is equal to b cube, right? Now we have to combine all these terms, right? Let us see. This is what we get after multiplying a square plus 2ab plus b square to a plus b. We have a cube plus a square b, that is a cube plus a square b, then 2a square b plus 2ab square, 2a square b plus 2ab square, then ab square plus b cube, that is ab square plus b cube, right? Now we have to group like terms, right? So these are the like terms. A to the power 2, a to the power 2. These two are the like terms. Same here, b to the power 2, b square. Here also we have b square. So these are two like terms. So a square b plus 2a square b, these both are like terms. We group it together. And 2ab square plus ab square are two other like terms which we group here, right? Now the identity becomes a cube plus a square b plus 2a square b is 3a square b, right? Then plus 2ab square plus ab square is 3ab square, and after that we have b cube, right? So a plus b cube is equal to a square plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? And this is called the cube of a positive binomial, right? Let us see one example. So this is what we seen. Now let us take A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Okay. So on the left hand side we have A plus B cube, that is 2 plus 3 cube. This is equal to 5 cube and this is nothing but 125, right? 5 cube is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, right? 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, multiplied by 5 is 125, right? This is what we have written. So on the left hand side we have 125 and I will solve the right hand side using the identity. A cube, that is 2 to the power 3 plus 3a square b. 3 2 square, I will put a dot so that it indicates that we are multiplying. Then b is 3 plus 3ab square, 3a into 2 into 3 square plus b cube, that is 3 cube, right? We can put in bracket, we can skip bracket, that's fine. 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 2 is 4, that is 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3, or we can put it dot also, both are fine. Then 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 is 9 plus 3 to the power 3 is 27. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is 27. This is equal to 8 plus 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. 12 multiplied by 3 is 36 plus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 6 multiplied by 9 is 54 plus 27, right? Okay, so this will become 8 plus 36 is 44 plus 54 plus 27 is 81. So this is 4 and 1 is 5, 8 and 4 is 12, 125, right? On the left hand side we had 125 and on the right hand side also we have 125. So this works perfectly. So hope you understood this concept. You can try cube of a negative binomial, right? That is a minus b to the power 3. Okay. And if you follow the same process, you will find that a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, right? So you have to be careful about the signs here. Here there are two negative signs before 3a square b and before b cube. Okay. So let us put both identities side by side. So here we have positive binomial cube and here we have negative binomial cube. Okay. So let us observe the pattern. The sign alternate in the negative version, right? So here we have a positive sign, then we have a negative sign, then we have a positive sign, and then we have a negative sign. So sign is alternate in the negative version, this one, right? And let us see the coefficients. In a minus b cube we have coefficient of a cube 1, coefficient of a square b is 3, coefficient of 3ab square is again 3, and coefficient of b cube is 1, right? So in a plus b cube also we have coefficient of a cube 1, then 3, 3 and 1. These are the coefficients. So you see the coefficients are same in both these binomials, right? So if you understand the formula, how it works and how to solve problems based on these formulas, then the algebra will become so much simpler, right? Hope you understood this concept. I will bring more concepts in my next videos. Thank you for watching.